Lawsuit claims Autopilot failed to keep Tesla from sliding under semi at 68 miles per hour. By Brooke Baitinger. According to a lawsuit, a Tesla car, running on autopilot, skidded 1,600 feet after sliding under a semi at 68 miles per hour, killing its driver. A Tesla car, running on autopilot, slid 1,600 feet after sliding under a semi at 68 miles per hour, shearing off its top and killing its driver, according to a lawyer who is suing the carmaker. The crash in West Delray Beach happened 4 months ago when a tractor-trailer pulled out in front of a bright red Tesla Model 3 driven by 50-year-old Jeremy Banner. The autopilot system failed, according to a lawsuit Banner's family filed Thursday in Palm Beach County. The system should have braked or swerved to avoid the Trey Lytal, the family's attorney, said at a news conference. About 10 seconds before the crash, Banner engaged the autopilot system, according to a preliminary report from the National Transportation Safety Board. Less than 8 seconds before the collision, his hands weren't detected on the steering wheel, which would have prompted warnings from the car's automated system, investigators found. The car traveled about the length of 5 football fields after the collision, Lytal said. Amid 3 South Florida crashes, revolutionary Tesla remains a work in progress. Banner's family sued Tesla, trucking company First Fleet and truck driver Richard Keithwood. The family, Banner's wife, Kim, and 3 kids, seek more than $15 million in damages for the death of their husband and father. "My family is devastated due to the untimely and tragic death of a loving husband and father," a statement from the family said. "It is difficult to discuss and relive what happened to Jeremy at this time. Our family has faith in the legal system that justice will be done and those responsible for his death will be held accountable." Tesla representatives did not respond to the lawsuit and referred to the company's statement in May about the crash. In it, Tesla said Banner used the autopilot in the 10 seconds before the crash, but not any other time. "Our data shows that, when used properly by an attentive driver who is prepared to take control at all times, drivers supported by autopilot are safer than those operating without assistance," the statement says. Trey Lytal, of the law firm of Lytal, Ryder, Smith, Ivey, and Fronrath, speaks during a news conference regarding a wrongful death lawsuit filed on behalf of Jeremy Banner's family in West Palm Beach. Lytal said Tesla falsely advertised the autopilot system, marketing it as self-driving technology that would eliminate the risk of harm or injury to the vehicle operator caused by other vehicles or obstacles while in autopilot mode. Because of that, Banner reasonably believed the Model 3 was safer than a human-operated vehicle, the lawsuit said. "We cannot have technology and sales take over safety," Lytal said. "Safety should be the first priority. I hope through this lawsuit that we correct this problem. Otherwise it won't stop. The goal of all of this is to open people's eyes." Banner, who lived in Lake Worth, was on his way to work in Boca Raton as a computer software programmer, Lytal said. The crash occurred March 1 on State Road 7, near Piro Family Farms just north of Atlantic Avenue. According to the preliminary report, Banner was driving south on State Road 7, where the speed limit is 55 miles per hour, when the tractor-trailer pulled out in front of the Tesla, attempting to cross the southbound lanes and turn left to go north. Surveillance videos and forward-facing video from the Tesla show the truck slowed and blocked the Tesla's path, the report said. The Tesla drove beneath the semi-trailer at 68 miles per hour, and the roof was sheared off, killing Banner. The crash is eerily similar to another one involving a Tesla in 2016 near Gainesville. Joshua Brown, 40, of Canton, Ohio, was traveling in a Tesla Model S on a divided highway and using the autopilot system when he was killed. Neither Brown nor the car braked for a tractor-trailer, which had turned left in front of the Tesla and was crossing its path. Brown's Tesla also went beneath the trailer, and its roof was torn off. The NTSB, in a 2017 report, wrote that design limitations of the autopilot system played a major role in the fatality, the first known one in which a vehicle operated on a highway under semi-autonomous control systems. The agency said that Tesla told Model S owners that autopilot should be used only on limited-access highways, primarily interstates. The report said that despite upgrades to the system, Tesla did not incorporate protections against use of the system on other types of roads. Tesla's autopilot was engaged during fatal crash, NTSB says. The NTSB found that the Model S cameras and radar weren't capable of detecting a vehicle turning into its path. Rather, the systems are designed to detect vehicles they are following to prevent rear-end collisions. Tesla has said that autopilot and automatic emergency braking are driver assist systems and that drivers are told in the owner's manual that they must monitor the road and be ready to take control. In January 2017, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, which is the second federal agency investigating the crash that killed Banner, ended an investigation into the Brown crash, finding that Tesla's autopilot system had no safety defects. But the agency warned automakers and drivers not to treat the semi-autonomous driving systems as if they could drive themselves. Semi-autonomous systems vary in capabilities, and Tesla's system can keep a car centered in its lane, brake to stop from hitting things and change lanes when activated by the driver.